Hello everybody, why am I smiling? This is the Raw Life Health Show, and each video lately I've been showing you some amazing meals that Chef Laura has been making for me. And tonight was just the most unique raw food dish I ever had, and I'm just amazed by it. And it's you know, some people eat it for breakfast. There's like crepes, they call them crepes I think, and I just usually I know what something is made with, and I couldn't even figure out what this was made with. It was so good. But I want to first show it to you. Look at this. Look at this. This is why I have the smile on my face. Look at this. So this was all made. So Chef Laura, what is this? I mean, it's I know that's blueberries.
Yep.
And I know there's carob powder in this crust here, but
yep.
What is this?
So it is an actual crepe. It's supposed to be like a dessert, so it does have carob powder in it. At the bottom is like chocolate sauce. And then there's the crepes themselves, which are made out of zucchini, apples, and a bunch of other ingredients. And then inside is, I forgot what it's called. Creme fraiche, I think it is. That's made out of, I used macadamia nuts, lemons, apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt and water. And then I mixed it up with the blueberries. Yesterday I actually included some raspberries as well, but we're sort of out of that. And yeah, it looks nice and it's delicious.
Everyone loves it, and it's just really unbelievable. So Chef Laura has done it again. It's so wonderful, and it's just great. And by the way, some people have been mentioning and or suggesting, hey, they need to hire a chef also. No, Chef Laura is not a hired chef. She is a blessing that's been sent to me. It's the first woman that ever made food for me like this, and she's just a blessing all around. Not just because of the food, but she's not a hired chef. We'll call her at this point my significant other, who's just been blessed me so much with his food. And yeah, as I said, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, right?
Yep.
And it's so great. So thank you very much for just being a woman and making food for a man. Thank you. All right, everybody. The recipe, if you're a member of the Raw Life Health Show, will be below the video on the Raw Life Health Show. The ingredients, and this recipe was from the Raw Chef. I think it's therawchef.com, and you can check it out there as well. And as they say in some part of the world, I think it's Paris, bon appetit. Okay, thank you. Shalom.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.